Hey there. So, imagine this common problem. You're working on your computer, and suddenly you realize some files are missing, and you have no idea how or when they got deleted. Yup, it's that classic problem we've all faced at some point: accidental file deletion. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The solution is data recovery software. With these handy tools, you can scan your storage device, locate the deleted files, and recover them in no time. It's like having a digital detective right at your fingertips, ready to bring back your precious data. Data recovery software works by scanning the storage device for traces of the deleted files, even if they seem lost forever. The software then reconstructs the files and allows you to retrieve them with just a few clicks. It's like magic, but for your computer. In summary, accidental file deletion is a common problem, but with data recovery software, you can easily recover your lost files and avoid any heart-stopping moments. So, next time you find yourself in a file deletion pickle, remember there's always a solution at hand. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below with your favorite data recovery story. We'd love to hear it.